सुपरवाइज कर रहे हैं। माननीय मंत्री, माननीय एमपी हमारे ऊपर हाथ दिखा के कुछ उपयोग नहीं है सर।
कल्याण बनर्जी
सर, मैं माननीय सदस्य जो इस विषय में ओरिजिनल प्रश्न पूछा उनके लिए विस्तार से जवाब दे रही हूं, मगर अगर माननीय सदस्य इन सब को सुनने के बाद भी उनको लगता है सरकार 12 से लेकर आज तक भी नहीं कर रहे हैं, मेरा जवाब शायद वो सुने नहीं है जी। मैं हम्बली बोल रही हूँ, ये कोर्ट के द्वारा होने वाले मामले हम सरकार बैठ करके निर्णय कर नहीं सकते। माननीय सदस्य जरा जवाब को सुन लें, नहीं तो मैं जवाब लिखित रूप में भी जो दे रही हूँ वो भी हिंदी में ही दूंगी उनको, मगर प्लीज ये गलतफहमी इस माननीय सदस्य से कोई भी बाहर जाकर के ये ना बोले सरकार पैसा नहीं दे रही है। सरकार हाथ जोड़ करके बुला रहे हैं, लोग प्लीज आइए, आपके कागजात के साथ हम पैसा देने के लिए तैयार है, आप भी ले आइए, हम देंगे।
कल्याण बनर्जी शॉर्ट में।
The Honorable Speaker, sir, I was listening the answer given by the Honorable Finance Minister. Now it comes to into two categories. One category is that the poor people who have come and approached, they have got it. Rest of the persons have not, rest of the money have not been distributed since no applications have been filed or claim has been filed. These are the two categories are there. Now the point is, sir, it is also the experience of these types of schemes. In the name of the poor people's, rich people come. There are so many investment. That's which is said to be a Benami. Just 1 minute, sir. Benami transactions are there. Just 1 minute, sir. Now the question is, my question, sir, just now you have got the applications, claims from the persons and you have distributed. The rest of the list is also there, those who have not got it. Then why the ED is not making an investigation also in furtherance to that who are these peoples? These peoples are the genuine peoples or ingenuine peoples? Because these schemes are for the poor peoples. The rich persons should not get any benefit for them. Therefore, where is that investigation? Anything has been initiated. Why these peoples are not coming?
Sir, the committee with the judge, retired judge sitting and looking at each one of them, he is looking at each one of the claims. Most of the small, honorable member is right, most of the small claimants have all been cleared because their documents are there. It is approved as per a standard operating protocol for each one. Meaning, for the cooperatives, there is SOP, which is judge determined. For the SEBI control regulated one, there is a SOP based on that. For those who are rejected, it is not rejection. We are telling them, get further documents so that your claim will be all the more strengthened and we can give it. That's a second. Third, sir, ED's name comes very quickly. But I want to say here, sir, I want to say, sir, and I hope the honorable members please patiently listen to this. The SFIO is investigating into this entire mamla. There are legitimate inquiries about what is the legitimacy of each one of the properties given. What is the business fraud which has happened? Where are those claimants which have not appeared before us? The SFIO is going into a detailed analysis of this, and we hope at the end of it we'll find more legitimate claimants for whom we can give the money. So, honorable member, be assured, yes, we've got the SFIO's investigation going on.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 184 बहुत हो गया इसमें। नहीं, श्रीमती कमलजीत शेरावत। माननीय मंत्री जी, माननीय वित्त मंत्री जी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 184।